So over the course of this past academic year, we have really grown significantly in the area of data access. Last year, I remember we were working on many topics, and there was something that our community often referred to was data for the people. And so I will tell you that our work with IEBC has really helped us to create a space for us to create more access to data. And along with that access comes a level of confidence to have the courage to really look at the data without judgment, without feeling as if it is finger pointing, but really with a lens of inquiry of how we can best serve our students and close the racial equity gaps on our campus, and to really begin to create that space for what are the effective strategies that we can utilize to close those gaps. And so I will say to you that the next opportunity that we have is to begin to continue to identify campus-wide the specific leading and lagging indicators that we will utilize, but then also what are those effective strategies that we will implement to continue this great work that has begun.